Okay. So the way how I know VLookup, it's go to instructions. So it says that in column M, VLookup to find out staff bonus. So when I see this, I like to highlight VLookup staff bonus. Okay, this is the, okay, very simple. Let me delete this so we can start from beginning. So when I type my column, I type staff bonus, right? So I type equals to VLookup, open bracket. Okay. So we are looking for staff bonus. So the way how staff bonus works, it's make sure you do not select this. This is wrong. I am in row 4, but I'm selecting row 9. This is wrong. So make sure when you're doing comparison, you select the correct row number, which is if you're in row number 4, select whatever in row number 4. So the first thing, it's basically G4, okay, comma. Next, it says table array. So again, your table array, you'll in your exam or anywhere you'll find, for some strange reason, this will work. It's normally this stuff. It'll be on the side. That's your hint. That's the table, right? Okay. Yes. Yes, you could highlight the whole thing. Cool. Now, my question is this: is this formula correct? Why? Yes. So what should be the number? Yep. 2. Yep. And then nope, write false. Close the bracket. Just type false. Okay? Yes. No, false is special name. When you type false in caps, you do not need to type. The only true and false are special characters in Excel that it bypasses the law of physics. Not really. Yes. Why? You get the correct. Yep. There we go. Give that girl a cookie. That's like it's like sort of like. Yep. So I'll put in.
Now, does VLookup always need?
Okay. And sorry, the last bit. Why? What should we do here, guys? Staff bonus.
Yeah, currency poll. Something.
Yes. I don't mind if it's written there, accounts or currency. Follow the instructions because sometimes I may put currency and sometimes I change to accounts. Okay, but in this example, I think I asked for accounts. Yep, done. Oops.
Our last one's different. That's when